Today I'll be discussing an important topic called as electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is a very important topic for the 11th and 12th standard students, as well as for different applications. This laid a foundation. So different devices which we use today, even the computers, motors, generators, transformers, all these devices are based on the basic theory of electromagnetic induction. So in 17th century, some of the scientists, they had found that in presence of electric field there was some magnetism that was observed, and also vice versa, but so far they had not made any quantitative analysis for it, which means how much electric field, what should be the intensity of the electric field necessary to generate the magnetic field, and vice versa. So, scientist called as Michael Faraday, who is considered to be father of electromagnetic magnetism, he, and also there is another scientist by name Henry. They both conducted experiments separately. Michael Faraday conducted in UK and Henry conducted in US. So there were some important results which were established due to their experiments. So let us discuss three important experiments conducted by Faraday. So Faraday took one galvanometer. Now galvanometer is a device which is helpful in indicating the presence or absence of current. So there is a wire which is wound, and along with the wire there is one indicating device. Now this indicating device has got a needle, and that needle turns or deflects when there is presence of current. So this was the basic assembly of galvanometer, and then he took a magnet and tried to move the magnet near to the coil. He took the magnet and moved it near the coil with north pole facing the coil. So that time he found that the galvanometer showed the indication of presence of current. When he moved it back, then also he found that there is some deflection, and this deflection was in opposite direction. Similarly, after this experiment, he reversed the direction, that south pole was made to move near the coil and again away from the coil. Then also he found out that there was a deflection, but this deflection was in opposite direction, which means this particular experiment established the fact that there is some electric current in the vicinity of the magnetic field. Okay, and also this particular current is direction sensitive, which means the direction of